Alright y'all, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Nick Wavy. I'm back with a new video. Now, this is something I've been trying to do for the longest time. Just take a look at my hair, y'all. You can see the back, like it's kind of nasty. I'm not gonna lie, like it's all knotty. I can't tell you the last time I combed my hair. Last time I combed my hair was probably in Solo's barbershop, and y'all remember when that was. So, yeah, usually when I go out, if I go out, I get my curl sponge, I just, wake it up, just rub it around a little bit. And sometimes I'll comb down my edges and stuff like that. But other than that, that's it. I never comb my hair. So what I'm gonna do right now is give you guys an update on how long my hair is. I don't even know how long it is. It's messy, as you can see. It's basically baby dreads. Like people are saying in the comment section that it's free-form dreadlocks. It's just going like this naturally. I don't comb it. I don't do nothing to it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna comb this out, and this is gonna hurt. Actually, that's not that bad. Damn. I don't even know if I could comb this out, y'all. Yo, you see this? Hair's coming out. I don't even think this is a good idea, to be honest. This thing is... I don't know if I should wet it first or... Oh! Damn! Y'all see that? This is crazy. All this hair is coming out, y'all see that? I don't know if I should wet my hair first, but like if it's dry, right? And it's all combed out, it'll look longer, and that's what I'm trying to get it at. I'm trying to see how long it is. Mind you, this is something I haven't done. Shit. I don't even know. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna stop the film right now. I'm gonna probably do this for about 5 more minutes. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give you guys an update because this is gonna take some real time. Or you think I should just keep doing it all at once? my camera guy's like, yo, look at that. Okay, I think we're getting it out now. Just at the back is crazy. I know all my wavers are pissed off when they're seeing this. Like, yo, what is this guy doing? His hair is trash. Oh. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna stop this for a minute. This is gonna take a long time. So I'm gonna come back in like 5 minutes and then we'll see what we look like. So this is about 5 minutes of combing. It's still kind of compressed. And it's really knotty, like it gets really, oh man, that's crazy. Like this is just naps. But basically what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take one dreadlock, this one right here, you can see how it's just knotty like this. And what I had to do is basically isolate it and then try and pick it apart piece by piece. Which is painful, by the way. I know what it's like for my sister now when she was a youth, getting her hair like braided or like detangled and stuff. Like I'm not trying to like grab, if I can't detangle it, I'm gonna let go and then get a better position. Yeah, so that's basically gone. And I had to do that to like every single one. So that's gonna take a minute. I don't want you guys to see that. That's be a long video. I don't want to keep you guys here all day. So yeah, we'll come back in about 5 minutes. So this is probably the best that I could do for right now. Like I almost have like a man bun or a ponytail, I guess. But you can still see like it's not fully separated. Like everything is still basically in dreads. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna rinse my hair. I'm hoping that's gonna help because I can't even pick this out dry anymore. It's too crazy. Everything is so knotty right now. So let me. Oh man, this hurts. I might even just stop doing this, y'all, because this is, I feel taller, like, is my head on? My head's taller than this. So I'm gonna just use warm water. Try and loosen everything up. This is gonna be a hassle when I have to cut it because everything is still gonna be knotty. So yeah, I think I should probably condition it first. That'll probably make everything softer, but yeah, this is what it looks like, y'all. I can't even see my eyes. So I'm probably gonna try and comb this out right now and I'll come back with you guys in about like 5 minutes. Alright y'all, so what I did, right? Conditioning kinda helped, but after I conditioned it, I felt like everything got back into its knots. So I went and I used a blow dryer on my hair and it's still like, it didn't really untangle everything. So I just chilled for a bit and I guess it started to frizz up and loosen up on its own. The top is easy to, you know, detangle, but like the back and the sides, I think it's because I sleep on that side, so everything is just so knotted up. But yo, my boy was saying, yo, if I go to the club, I can just, you know, pull my hair apart, hide whatever I gotta hide in the hair. Hey yo, you got ID? Yeah, man, I got ID. I'm 24, bro. Let me in the club, man. Let me in the club. Boom. Pull that out of nowhere. Just start combing in the club. So I guess that is a benefit. I can hide things in my hair, but yeah, this is what we have, y'all. Literally, I've been growing my hair since the last time I got a trim was April. And I got a little trim. Other than that, I've been rocking the curls since December last year. So it's literally been 1 year. If I didn't cut my hair in April, I would have had 4 extra months of hair growth. So my hair probably would have been, my hair is probably longer than this. It's just very nappy and frizzy. But one thing I realized after doing this is that I'm booking my hair, but I'm calling it solo. I'm booking a haircut appointment. I have to do this because my hair is just out of control. I didn't even maintain this, y'all. I just let it grow. I didn't comb it. I didn't do any methods for it, nothing. This is just a natural hair growth. Yeah, this is a mess, y'all. It makes me look taller though. I could probably get a ponytail if I had like a hair tie. I could do it right now. But that's what we have in the back. We got a little bun. I don't know if my hair is long enough to donate. If it is long enough to donate, I'll definitely do that. Yo, you think it's long enough to donate? You didn't donate yours?
No, I didn't, bro.
So what was it like when you cut your hair off?
Yo,
like,
my head felt mad light after it was
Yo, there's a lot of hair, man. So again, I'll probably try and detangle this again, but I don't know how. So you guys have to post in the comment section down below how to do it because this isn't properly done. I feel for all the girls that had to get their hair done and it's all knotty and stuff. When my sister was crying as a youth, I feel the pain now because this hurts, bro. When it's nappy and knotty, nah, bro. But yeah, I need you guys to post in the comment section down below of how to detangle this. Let me know because I have no idea. But yeah, January 2018, like I told y'all, I'm cutting this all off, man. I can't do it anymore. But I'm like a Super Saiyan right now. I'm like a Super Saiyan. So, oh my gosh, bro, this is crazy. Hopefully, you know, it can go back to its curly state. I can't go outside like this, bro. I look like Einstein. But yeah, make sure y'all smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications on so you guys can stay tuned for when I detangle this and when I cut it. I know those are 2 big days, so I'm gonna go to solo cuts in the barbershop. Y'all already know that. Yeah, make sure y'all like and subscribe. Finna catch y'all in the next video.